welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to share with you what I eat in a day. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. Right now I'm making some cream cheese, spinach. I have 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 ounces of cream cheese. I added a pinch of nutmeg and 1/4 of a lemon to the pan here. So I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna make some pork chops. I'm gonna bake those in the oven. That's one of Bill's favorite dishes. So I'm gonna make teriyaki pork chops for him, and I'm gonna make Asian salmon for myself. So I will show you in a little bit how I make that. But what I'm making is what I eat in a day and also what Bill eats in a day. The food I'm showing you, this is the food, but we might have a snack of maybe some nuts or something, because right now we are on the intermittent fast. I'm gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and just a pinch of salt. This is the salt I use all the time. So just a pinch of that, because the cream cheese already has salt in it. I'll be placing these recipes in the description box on my YouTube channel and also on my website. So don't worry if you don't take down all the ingredients the first time. Now this is the teriyaki pork chops, but you can use this on any meat that you like. This is sauce probably for 2 hours. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I use avocado oil, coconut oil, duck fat, and bacon fat in my dishes. I only use olive oil if it's a salad I'm making, but all of the other oils, I use those to cook at a high temperature, but not with olive oil. Okay, now these are the salmons. I've been marinating them for about an hour. Now, let me just share what's on these salmons. Okay, I have sesame oil. I added a tablespoon of sesame oil, garlic and ginger chopped up. Coconut amino soy-free seasoning sauce. This is very good. I marinated the salmon in that. And oh, it smells so good in here. There's lots of garlic and ginger in here. I have a teaspoon of erythritol sugar-free sugar. I added to the marinade. I marinated with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This is 1 pound of salmon here. So I used added the sauce to the bag here, and it smells absolutely divine. So I'm gonna have the salmon and the spinach, cream spinach. Okay, I'm gonna let that bottom cook really well first before I turn it over. Okay, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn over the salmon and cook the other side. I'm gonna move the garlic to the side, garlic and ginger to the side. Turn the salmon over. I'm gonna let it cook about 5 minutes, and touch it to make sure it's completely done. And these are small salmon steaks, so it's not gonna take good. I'm only gonna be eating one steak, one salmon steak. So just so you know. Okay, this salmon tastes really good. It's got a little taste of sweetness, and I can taste the garlic and ginger and sesame oil. I mean, it's very good. And cream spinach is really, really good. And I just added some more lemon to the salmon. So this is what I'm gonna eat in a day, plus maybe some nuts a little later. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video.